So, hello mga bay. Today's tamsa gisudipan ko. Today's video is about to oh, um about to teach you how to open this lingin-lingin. No, this lingin-lingin, this bracelet in Michael course. Yeah. And I I I send message to one of my auntie here in YouTube. Her YouTube channel is Ang Pobring Hilas. Yeah, from from 1:30 a.m. I study and how to open this lingin-lingin, this bracelet in my course, but now it's already 3:10 in the morning, and just now I realize how to open it, and I just want to share it with you guys. And yeah, I'm English tonight, and this time yeah, because we 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 have conversation with the gift sender, and she cannot reply me, because it's already 3 a.m. in the morning, and I know that she already OMG, don't she already sleep right now, and me, I am still awake, of course. My eyes is very open and like flashlight. And yeah, and after the conversation, after I send message to the gift sender, actually this is a gift from you to me because I always give gift to myself. I always put, and give 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 like, I always put from me to me, yeah. And now thanks a lot because I already experienced gift from you to me, and I'm so thankful to that. So now I just want to share you guys how to open this, because it's my first time, so it's hard for me to open this. So I after our conversation with Tia Ang Pobring Hilas, I told her that because she don't know also, and she don't really get what I mean, because she think that this is a a wedding ring. Yeah, where is the wedding ring? Here, right? So she think that I send her a wedding ring, so it's very big for the wedding ring. Maybe you will marry a 5 woman or 5 men before it will before it will, yeah, it will makaigo ba sa tong tudlo kapuya mag-English. Wait, sabi. So okay, oh my god, my mini-me, she's laughing too hard because I speak English, and then I speak Bisaya right away, because I don't know how to how to how to how to okay, that's enough. And now I told I will teach you because it's very kabayan. It's really hard if you just pull it like that. It will not gonna open, so nobody can touch it. So you have to put power, or you have to just press, there is something like it's luck. Yeah, you can see there is How can I, kabayan. How can I explain kabayan? This one, you can see, yeah, there is something here, and you just put, energy here. Yeah, just push it, and just like that. Yeah, just put, energy, and then press. I don't know where is it exactly, here or there. Okay, I'm sorry. I thought I know it very well. So let's study, once again. Ow. Oh, yeah. I just, yeah, I Google it, and the Google teach me how. So just put energy and then pull. Yeah, you will pull, baby. Come on, help me. Yeah. Nothing? OMG, it's very hard. Really, it's very hard to open. So, magkuha na lang katag sundang ani tataro na to ni mga bay. So, okay, how can I, because this one I open already. So, we will, make like that and close. I don't know how I open it. Yeah, okay. So, this ring is three. No, don't do that. So, it is bronze member. Oh my God, it's membership. Bronze, silver, and gold. Yeah, thank you so much to MGM Saniel, my cousin. She's the one who sent it to me. And yeah, we will try once again how to open, because this is a tutorial, but I think this tutorial is really failed. Okay, wait a minute. Oh my God, my voice is very, it's very, ang ingay ko kabayon. Maingay. Natulog ng kapitbahay, kabayon. Okay, let's put, energy and then pour. Die. It's real hard. Maybe it's baliktad. Yeah.
Baliktad eh.
It's really hard kabayan to open. It's first time to 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 ay, Ginoo ko. Kapuyon man ta nig English. First time na ko nakadawat ingon ani bang lalang mananap bangong siya ni siya nga. First time in taong kikabos laman. It's very hard because it's my first time to receive this kind of a gift. So yeah, and it's really yeah, it's feel talaga day kabayon. I open already the other one. Well, we will try, maybe. My God, nanglagom na akong kamot ng binira. Pero na-open na natin ang isa, no? So, failed yata itong pag-open natin. Tingnan mo nga, Day. Paano naman ito ma-open?
Ako de wala.
Michael.
Ma? Ako de.
Huh?
Ako de wala.
So, dili siya na-close, no? So, dito pala siya. Ay, kabaw ni lupad. So, let's try. Yeah! I did it! Just, we will... Okay.
Yan sa nimo.
Okay. So, we will try the other one. We'll just think and use our common sense, Yeah, M is here. So, we have to touch the letter M. We have to touch the letter M. Just put a force. And then, yeah, I already did it, but Yeah, at least I show you how. Yeah. At least guys, I show you how, and it's filled and not filled. It's okay. At least I show you that I open already, but we will not exit this video if I cannot open the bronze. Yeah, because I open already the gold and the silver. So we have to open this bronze member. It's baliktad. So ba yun? Mga anak, makautot matani ng kalakihay noon. Yeah. mm, You don't get it, guys. Makautot. But you are Bisaya. Yeah, makautot. I did it. So, thank you so much. Yeah, I open already. So, I like it because in YouTube, I have bronze, silver, and gold member. So, this is you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe if you are enjoying my videos. Thank you so much, and may God bless us all. Thank you to the gift center MGM Sanya from GRS Enterprises, JRS Express, and this is the paper bag. Maybe I'm gonna use this one to be my, to be my sling bag or something, so that at least I can experience Mikey cars. So thank you, and God bless us all. Bye bye.